If you need to replace your battery in your Mini key, then watch this video. You will need some batteries, well, 1, 20, 32, and a small device. Step 1 is simply taking the keyblade out. You don't have to do this. However, if you've got a bunch of key rings, it's a lot easier. So pinch that and pull it out. Step 2, you need to prise this little bit open here, find some sort of device, and then you can just pop it off. Step 3 is very easy. Simply just pull this little bit out here. Very easy, it comes out nicely. And then you have full access to the battery. And it's that simple. Again, do note you need a 2032 battery. And you will need a device to sort of prod this out. I can't do it with my nails, I had to use this tool. Once it's out, simply pop in the new battery. You want to go down and then in, so take note of that. And away you go. Just be mindful when putting the key back, you do not break anything. BMW Mini charge a fortune for these keys, so do make sure you pop it back nicely. If this has helped, please do leave me a subscribe and a like. I'll see you on the next review.